In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a poll into Activecampaign. To begin, open your email designer inside Activecampaign. This is where you build the layout and content of your email, and it is also where you can create a simple poll using buttons. A button-based poll works well because each click can apply a different action, and that action can help you track which option each contact chose. Once you are in the email designer, you will add one button for each poll option you want to offer. Find the button block and drag it onto the email where you want the poll to appear. If your poll has 2 choices, you will add 2 buttons. If it has 3 choices, you will add 3 buttons, and so on. Place the buttons in a clean area of the email and give them enough spacing so they are easy to tap on mobile devices. Next, label each button with the response you want the reader to choose. For example, you might use simple labels like yes and no or any other clear responses that match your poll question. Keep the text short so the buttons look neat and are easy to read at a glance. After your buttons are in place and labeled, click on the first button to select it. In the toolbar, choose the link icon. This opens the settings you need so the button click can trigger the tracking action you want. Now move to the right-hand sidebar and click Add Action. This is the key part that turns a regular button into a poll response tracker. From the list of actions, select Add Tag. Then choose a tag name that matches the response on that button, such as a tag that indicates the contact selected that option. When you are ready, click Save to confirm the action. Repeat the same process for every button in your poll. Each option should apply its own unique tag, so you can segment contacts later based on what they clicked. Finally, when all buttons are set up, click Next to save the email. Your poll is now ready, and each click will tag the contact with the option they selected. And that is all there is to it.